Question number 263, Sri Dr.Shashi Tharoor ji.
It's running on profit, ma'am.
आप दे दो ना, half an hour दे दो.
You made the point. Question number 263, madam.
Yes, Minister.
On the table of the House. Madam Speaker, please.
It is a contradiction on the part of the government. We need a discussion on that. A state policy has to be there from the government, ma'am. The state policy has to be there from the government, ma'am. You cannot have two aspects.
Baithiye, this is not the way. Yes.
Madam Speaker, the Minister's response sidesteps the question that there is an undeclared environmental emergency around Valaini Lake. It's the largest freshwater lake in my constituency, and indeed in all of Thiruvananthapuram district. It's vital to the drinking water requirements of the people I represent. In 1926, Madam Speaker, it spanned 750 acres. I beg your pardon, 750 hectares. Today it is drastically reduced to a mere 400 acres. So from 750 hectares to 400 acres. This is a very serious matter because studies conducted by the Kerala Agriculture University have predicted a gap of 1,268 billion litres between supply and demand by 2021. But in fact, the hardship of 2021 has already arrived in 2016. We are now at a crisis point, madam, and the Minister's answer, I'm really sorry to say, does not take this into account. There's pollution from urban and agricultural sources. There's poor conservation. There's definitely sand mining, illegal encroachments, unauthorized construction. This is a major, major crisis. It's an environmental issue. The Supreme Court has been ruling about the importance of how water is fundamental to life. Now, in these circumstances, I really would like to know what the Environment Ministry can do to assist in solving this critical situation. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
I appreciate the concerns raised because this Valiani Lake, which is near to Thiruvananthapuram, is an important lake. The issue is he has specifically asked that locate biodiversity heritage site under the Biological Diversity Act, whether that has been declared or not. The answer, and actually when I was handling this environment portfolio, I had written to Shashi Tharoor ji on 27th October 2015 that biological diversity heritage spot has to be declared by the state government. It can't be declared by central government, and therefore state has to take. And as he rightly says, that the lake, which was so many hectares, has now reduced to practically half. If that has happened, because I have gone to Bengaluru and seen the situation of the lake, and we had very big lake development program near the urban. If there are lakes and drinking water purposes, Urban Development Ministry also helps. Under Amrut, we have given assistance to many other lakes also. So Kerala government has to send the proposals, which they have not sent, and therefore this is what we have done.
Second something.
Madam Speaker, I have requested your permission to ask my second question in Malayalam, and I understand that interpretation has been arranged. If I may please do so. Mantriji, Keralathine Devathinte സ്വന്തം നാട് എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ദൈവം ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് 44 നദി തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, പല കായലുമുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ ഈ നദികളും കായലും എല്ലാം വറ്റിപ്പോകുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, ഇതാണ് പരിസ്ഥിതിയുടെ വലിയൊരു പ്രശ്നം. കുടിവെള്ള പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുടെ വിഷയം ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റെടുത്തു. പക്ഷെ അത് മാത്രമല്ല, നാഷണൽ സാമ്പിൾ സർവേ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, NSSO സർവേ. നമ്മളുടെ ഗ്രാമദേശത്തിൽ ആകെ 29.5% ഹൗസ് ഹോൾഡ്സിന് മാത്രമേ കുടിവെള്ളം കിട്ടുന്നുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നൊരു പ്രശ്നം, നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, പരിസ്ഥിതിയുടെ പ്രശ്നം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു, ബയോളജിക്കൽ വെൽത്തും എല്ലാം പ്രശ്നമാണ്. പക്ഷെ താങ്കളുടെ ഉത്തരം എല്ലാം സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാരിന്റെ തലയിൽ കെട്ടുന്നു. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിന്റെ വഴിക്ക് ഏത് വഴിക്കാണ് നിങ്ങൾ സഹായിക്കാൻ തയ്യാറ്? ഏത് വഴിക്കാണ് നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിന്റെ ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് പരിസ്ഥിതി വിഷയങ്ങളും കുടിവെള്ള പ്രശ്നങ്ങളെ പരിഹരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് നിങ്ങൾ സഹായം നൽകാൻ പോകുന്നത്? നിങ്ങൾ സഹായം നൽകാൻ തയ്യാറാണോ? 75 കോടിയുടെ ഒരു പദ്ധതി ഉണ്ടെന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ചത്. താങ്കൾ പറയുന്ന സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാരിന് തലയിൽ കെട്ടിവരണമെന്ന്. അപ്പൊ കേന്ദ്രം എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ തയ്യാറായിരിക്കണം?
Very good. Yeah. Let me again tell the fact that though the concept note was moved by the State Biodiversity Authority, it has not come through proper channel from the state government. Unless there is a proper procedure for funding, And we are eager and we are doing it. I'll tell you some examples. Dal Lake in Kashmir, we have granted 300 crores because what vitiates the lake water? The sewage, which has to be treated, the Amrut Yojana, Atal Mission, that also provides money. We also provide money through National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystems. So we also provide. So there are 2-3 departments. Even Water Resources Department provides for agriculture purpose ponds where the agriculture is served. So in Nainital, we have provided 65 crores. Kaam pura hua, acha hua. And in Ramgarh Tal, Jhansi Lakshmi Tal, and other, so totally 130 crores in other schemes also we have provided. But there is a method. I can understand your anxiety and your concern for the lake, but please convince the state government to follow the process and we'll do it.
ठीक है श्री